The D/F sharp is what I call a slash chord. It's telling you that you play a D chord with an F sharp note in the bass. Version number 1 uses my first, second, and third fingers. Second fret on the 6th string, second fret on the 3rd string, and 3rd fret with my 3rd finger on the 2nd string. Now, the high E is not actually a part of this chord, so this form works best if I'm doing some form of fingerstyle guitar. If I'm strumming the guitar, that's where version number 2 comes in handy. Now, you can use version number 1 if I angle my finger down a little bit and touch that first E string so it doesn't sound, but it's a little awkward. So here's version number 2. I make a full D chord, but I don't use my first finger. I'm using my 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then I've got my 3rd finger there covering the 2nd fret 1st string. That leaves my 1st finger to reach over and play the F sharp on the 2nd fret on the 6th string. You say, what is version number 3? It's very similar, the same notes, but I'm using a different way of playing that bass note. You're going to play the D chord just like you would your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers, and then reach your thumb up over the neck and wrap it around and cover that bass note. For some people, this is easier, and for some, using the fingers without the thumb is easier. I'd encourage you to pick just one version and practice it. You can always add more versions later. Then the next critical step is to be able to switch from that chord to another chord. To help you with that, I've created a fun game that I think you'll really enjoy. Watch this next video and I'll show you how it works.